Before the Samsung Unpacked launch, I was invited to get hands-on with the latest products, which included the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Galaxy Buds Pro 2, Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, and of course last but not least the new Galaxy Z Flip 4. In this video it is the Z Flip 4. I'll be talking about specifically the various colorways and finishes because let's be honest, no one wants to make the wrong decision, especially if you are spending this sort of money. If you're interested in the Z Fold 4 or the new watches instead, then check out my video comparing those colors. I will leave a link for that at the end of this video. Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla, and I was lucky enough to check out the 4 different color options for the Z Flip 4. So in today's video, I'll be comparing and showing you the difference between them, helping you decide which one to pre-order. But before I get into it, hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon, as I will be producing many videos about Samsung's latest products, so you don't want to miss those. Right, back to business. There are 4 variants available: Graphite, Pink Gold, Blue and Bora Purple. First off, let me say that there is a glaring difference between last year's Z Flip 3 and the Z Flip 4, where the Z Flip 3 had glossy glass and matte frame. The Flip 4 is reversed with matte glass and glossy frames. So let's get into it. First off, let's tackle the most subtle and underrated option, the graphite. In my honest opinion, I really like this option because in person it looks much better than on camera. The glass finish is very similar to previous Phantom Black Samsung devices. The back glass has a subtle finish which shifts from almost black to smoky grey, which never looks like a deep jet black except the outer display, which obviously is glossy. The back, as expected, doesn't really show fingerprints unless you have very greasy or sweaty hands. Then when you shift the device, the smudges appear at various angles. The metal frame sandwiched in between the screen and the back panels has a glossy, very light grey finish, and is finished in a way which looks very classy and sleek, and the antenna bands are in a darker grey colour on the metal frame. The graphite is a choice for anyone looking for understated, classy and subtle. Unlike the Z Fold 4, the outer cameras are housed within the outer display, so no camera bump to worry about, making the overall appearance look more sleek. The next colour option is the Pink Gold. This is probably the most unusual of the colours. The glass panels are matte and have an almost light peach colour. Obviously being matte, you would assume it wouldn't show fingerprints, and you would be right. But because it's a light colour, they are hidden better than on the graphite. The colour has a deep luster, and colour shifting does take place when exposed to different light levels. It does look luxurious in the flesh. The frame has a glossy finish. The metal rails look like a champagne gold colour with slightly darker coloured antenna lines. The frame and buttons match perfectly and complement the pink gold back, making it look overall very high end. The metal frame did show fingerprints in the short time I spent handling it with my sweaty hands. I would say this option is for anyone who doesn't want a boring black device but instead prefers a more high-end look. The third colour option for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, the blue. Again, like the other colours, this has a glossy finish metal frame and the camera finished exactly the same way in the outer screen. I would say it is the colourway that looks the freshest and most unusual. The blue almost looks like a light grey because of the matte finish. The metal frame is finished in an almost silver colour with a tiny hint of blue, which looks slightly lighter than I was expecting. It does really look like a very premium finish, but beware, the antenna bands are a lot darker than the frame. It really does add a finishing touch to the overall colour of the phone by giving it a rich framing tone. Definitely a different colour option to previous Galaxy Flip devices and worthy of a consideration if you're looking for something different. And finally, the fourth option, the Bora Purple. Bora actually means purple, so you could say purple purple. Again, a matte finish. The purple is a lighter colour, but personally for me I would say it's close to lavender. It looks like a lighter version of the purple iPhone 12. Although it is matte, the finish has a one-dimensional look to it. Fingerprints are hidden well, but not as well as the pink gold variant. The metal frame and hinge, like the other colour options, has a glossy look to it. It is very light lilac to my eyes. I would say almost more silver with a hint of lavender. Bora Purple is Samsung's signature colour for the Flip 4. It is a fresh and unusual, and for anyone who is trendy and wants to stand out from the crowd. Now, if none of these colors is your sort of thing, then I should let you know that Samsung are offering a bespoke service online. The bespoke edition comes in up to 75 unique glossy color combinations, with 5 front and 5 back colors to choose from, and of course 3 different colors for the hinge and frame. There's sure to be something for everyone. So there you have it, the current color options available for the Galaxy Z Flip 4 series. If you're looking to pick up any of these color variants, then use my link in the description below to help me out. I've also made a video of the Z Fold 4 color choices, which total 3 options, so check out that video too. So which is your favorite color and why? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, my favorite is the pink gold because of the luxurious finish of the glass back and the contrasting champagne gold frame. What color combo would you like to have seen? Or if you're using the bespoke service, what did you pick? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be making loads more videos about the Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 series and the Galaxy Buds Pro 2, including accessories, screen protectors, cases and comparisons. So smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon, give me a thumbs up and share this video on your social media including Samsung, groups and forums. Until next time, I'm TechZilla saying take care and peace.